How to use coins on AliExpress. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use coins on AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, open up the AliExpress application in your mobile device. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this home page, now navigate to the account icon from the bottom right corner. That will take you to your account page. Now in this interface, there you will get an option as a coins. So tap on coins. Here, to earn more coins, you can visit this application daily and you can earn the reward as shown in the interface. Here I have already collected 30 coins in my account, and if you like to earn more coins, then simply tap on earn more coins, and then you can earn coins by daily check-in and then explore sponsored items, view super discount, search keywords or discount finder. So that's how you can earn more coins. Now in order to use that coins, you can use coins for discount on different product and use it while checking out on the product, and the discount will depend upon the seller. For example, suppose I wanna go ahead and buy this product right here, so tap on that product, and here it says 70% extra off with coins. So you can exchange your coins with the discount and then you can get 70% off on this product. After that, tap on buy now and then again tap on continue, and here you will get a discount according to your coin in your account, and then you can simply place an order. So that's how you can use coins in AliExpress to purchase any product using their discounts. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.